So keep solving our physics GRE. Okay, so 34, basically the potential of energy. So you have some potential, and ask you about the force. Okay, and you have some parameters like position, speed, and linear momentum, and its mass. Okay, so force is just derivative with respect to potential. Okay, so the answer is B. Okay, and then he asked about what? Asked about a Hamiltonian, right? Hamiltonian is the potential plus the Hamiltonian is the potential plus kinetic. So H is T plus V. So single particle is P squared divided by 2m minus a plus kx to the fourth. So the answer is A. Okay, and 36, that the body moves from x1 x at x1 t1 x2 and t2, and which following quantity is corresponding to motion. Okay, so this basically asking about the least action principle. Okay, so this tell you this is the answer. So this is Lagrangian. Lagrangian is t minus v. So this is t, this is v. So the answer is A. The answer is A. So these three problems is stupid. I mean, you very simple that you should solve it very quickly. Remember that you only have 170 minutes and you have 100 questions to solve. So you need to solve it quickly. Okay, 36. Basically, you have above figures and asking about tension. Okay. So this is tension T, and then you have mg and the ma. Basically, the ma is what? The ma is the rotation accelerations. So basically, ma is omega square r. So your total acceleration is g and omega square r, but they are orthogonal. So t should be m times their total magnitude. So it's g squared plus m to the fourth to the r squared plus r squared. So this is the answer. So this is E. Okay. Okay, so 38 asks you about a logic gate. Okay, so this is the diode. Okay, so if this is positive, if this is positive, then it should be short. So that means there's a circuit where it goes to here. And if this is inverse potential, then it would be like open. Okay, so this is the perfect diode you need to remember. Okay, so if this is 1, so usually to solve this type of question, you need to try and error, unless you already know the answer. If this is 1, this is 0, then which one is that? Then what is this one? Okay, suppose this one is 0, then what? Then 1 0, this should be short, then this one should be 1. So there's a contradiction. So we know that this one must be 1. So this is 1, this is 0, so it's okay, then this is open. Then if this is 1, what is the output? Output should be 1. Right. Suppose output is 0, then this is positive potential, then it should be short. So then it should be 1. So we have 1 0 is 1. Then this which is symmetry, so 0 1 is 1. And the similar argument, you tell that 1 1 0, 1 1 is 1, and if both are 0, okay, so there's solve the final case. So if both are 0, then if this is 1, then and it looks like okay that these two can be open. Right, but there's no reason that if you input these two, then this will be 1. So there's impossible that this should be 1. So if 0, 0 must be 0. So this is OR gate. So the answer is A. The answer is A. So that's it. And basically you can go to Google and see what it means about. Basically the fan out is not a circuit, and the flip flop is a circuit. And the 2-bit adder is not. 2-bit adder can means that you just add at least 2-bit, which is not the case. And then not an AND gate. So AND gate means that unless both 1 is 1, otherwise it's 0. So the answer is A. The answer is A. Okay, that's it. I will see you guys in the next video.